Hey van friends, Josh with Vanlife Outfitters here at the Chattanooga Overlanding Expo, and we're here with Justin from Moxie Van Co. And we're going to check out some of his cool new products and some of his van builds, so let's get right into it.
Hey friends, Justin from Moxie Van Co. We're going to show you our bed pod and drawer system that's in this Ford Transit. It's made to go in any back of any van. That's a quick, removable, well not super quick, but removable bed system and drawer system that can go into a passenger van, a cargo van, a crew van. It's a simpler system, but has everything you need for weekend camping and all that. This is under our Tectonic Overland product line, and I'll show you how our setup works here. This folds up into a bed system. It's already outstretched in the bed mode. It comes with a mattress. This drawer over here on the right, you can see it has a flip down front face. I'll pull it out for you guys to show you all what's in this drawer. We have a pull out stove here. We have a sink set up with a Dometic jug system. We have in this case, we have a little cabinet. Got some liquor in there. We have the propane 1 pound bottles stored here. The stove, gas line. We have a Dometic fridge in the back. And that's where right beside is the jug system, the Dometic jug system. And then underneath the sink, we have this portable sink top. We have a silverware, utensil, and knife. Well, everything neatly stashed in there and designed to stay put when traveling. And on this side, we'll show you the other side. First off, we have these little bars that come out. I can show you the flip down drawer. You have a little quick access to your mugs. We have a little coffee station set up. There's a cutting board. This is magnetized, has magnets, so it's a takeaway. So it just clasps right down to that drawer front, and then we can slide that drawer out as well. And you can see behind this cubby is our storage, which has a removable divider, so you can keep stuff from sliding around depending on how you want to store this. We have some bowls and pots and some van leveling blocks back here. Whatever you need to store in this drawer, it's more of a storage drawer. And that is our drawer system setup. That's the main components of it. So I'm going to show you guys the back of the bed system and how this folds in and folds out. I got the mattress folded back so you can see all the cutout of the bed frame that's in the bed extended position. I'll show you, we've got some hinges here, so we fold this panel back, lift up on this, and it just slides back into place. You can see our bed pod system here is powered with a small Goal Zero 700. There's a built-in USB in the box. Also, it's powering the fridge that's in the box. So super simple to pull it out. Now we have more seating room for the seats. And then you just do that in reverse to extend it back into bed position. It has a catch that it stops, and then you just fold it back, and then extend the bed mattress back out, and it's back in bed mode. So in this van we have a smart floor system, so it has the smart floor chairs as well, so they are quick, detachable, so they can move out of the way. This is a short wheelbase Ford Transit that's in a 130 wheelbase. So actually in a Sprinter or a Ford Transit 148, more of your larger common size vans, you actually can deploy this bed system and possibly, depending on your setup, not even have to move your seats forward. But it's nice in this van because it allows the seats can quickly move forward, so it's a very quick setup into camping mode. All this door trim on the front and back we make out of aluminum. In this case we powder coated it, so yeah, we custom do all that trim. And then customers can choose whatever floor covering. We do a lot of these smart floors. We chose this Chill Witch flooring in this one. It's got some cool coloring to it.
Yeah,
Comes with the mattress, comes with the fridge, the stove, the sink, the Dometic jug system. Comes fully built out component wise. It doesn't have the plates and utensils with it, but it can. That's optional. And the power system, you can use whatever power system you want. This retails for $8,000 with all those components involved.